Introducing Isavera, the patent-pending at-home fat freezing system that finally helps you reduce the appearance of stubborn fat. Everyone thinks diet and exercise is the key to getting rid of our extra fat. Well, sadly, that isn't exactly true. The truth is, 80% of all diets fail simply because of how fat cells work. When you exercise, fat cells get smaller. And when you eat, fat cells get bigger. But fat cells never go away. Yep, they just shrink and expand for your whole life. So, wouldn't it be better if fat cells could just... Introducing Isavera. Take the frozen gel packs and slide them into the pockets of the strap. Isavera's gel packs have a special formula that cools fat cells and reduces their appearance, but doesn't freeze your skin. Once your fat reaches optimal temperature, your body naturally dissolves your fat cells. This scientifically proven process is called cryolipolysis, used by high-end clinics. Fat freezing is a proven technique to reduce those stubborn areas. You know, your belly, love handles, and back, no matter how much you exercise and eat well, leaving you with a more slim, toned, and sculpted-looking appearance. Each Isavera comes with a relaxing handheld massager that helps you get the most out of your Isavera system. The caliper and measuring tape will help you track your progress. Now, you don't have to go to an expensive clinic to get the look you want. You can save thousands of dollars. Our technology is all natural and safe to use, unlike risky weight loss surgery or sketchy diet pills. Over 60,000 people already achieved their ideal body in as little as 3 weeks. Try it for 30 days risk-free with our money-back guarantee. Get the toned and sculpted look you have always wanted with Isavera.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
All right, come on in, we're ready for you.
Okay. Okay, sorry, I'm just asking all the rookie questions.
That's important.
So how long are the treatments, or how many treatments do you need?
So you can only do one area at a time within a 3-month period. You can't consistently retreat the same area within the 3 months.
So the 2 sides and then the panel over the top, those are basically the 3 options for your midsection?
Uh-huh.
If I could hear each price point, that'd be great.
Yeah, absolutely. If you were to do your tummy area, let's say you wanted to do your love handles. So one section is going to be $750. And then if you were to do the other area right over here, that would be $700. And if you wanted to do a larger area right here in the top mid-panel section, that would start at $1,500.
Okay. So $1,500, $700, $750, and you do it every 3 months?
Yep, that's right.
Okay.